Hello guys, welcome everyone to this live session. So today we'll discuss, we'll see around the server how you can have your own local server. Like you are using the WAMP server and you are using the JAM server. So in case of PHP language, but that is not well suited, or sometimes it is giving you the error. Okay, so lots of error, lots of slowness you observe there. Then what is the solution? So you try this WAMP, you try the JAMP, but in both of the cases there are lots of issue, like it is also hanging up, database corruption is coming again and again. Then what is the solution for that? So for that you can go for using the Laragon. Okay, so Laragon is a server. You can this is similar to the WAMP or JAMP. You can install this one. Okay, so JAMP or WAMP, and it has more feature around than the JAMP or WAMP. And what benefit it has? So it is also coming with the Apache and Nginx both. So you will also feel the server kind of setup here. Okay, so in case you have purchased the AWS instance or any other instance, the same thing you can have the setup here. Okay, so even you want to go with the Apache, so by default it will be, or in case it to Nginx, you'll have to do some configuration there. Okay, so this is well suited for the PHP language, of course, and it also have some MySQL, Node.js, and other option you will also find here with this. Okay, so what are the advantage of using Laragon? So Laragon offers several benefits that make it a strong choice for developer. The first thing is the fast and lightweight, and this means the less waiting time and the smoother development. So even you go for the restarting a server, the WAMP and the JAMP take lots of time, but for this one is just you moment you click, at the next moment it will be ready, it will be restarted. Okay, so there are lots of advantage coming with this Laragon, and I would recommend to use this one. So I know you might have been using the JAMP or the WAMP in case of PHP and the Moodle development, but yeah, this is well suited. So I have starting using for all of my project, so this Laragon one, and I see lots of the advantage here. So first thing you see here, the fast and lightweight. The second thing, the simple and the clean interface will have. And so with the free version we'll have some limited feature, but yeah, of course all the feature currently is available within the WAMP or the JAMP will have under the free. But in case you purchase this one, I think around 10 USD it will take for the 1 year of subscription. So under that paid one will have the option to switch multiple version. Okay, so at least give it a try, and at the end of this I have also attached the video. You can go through that, and you can start using this one. Okay. Now easy PHP version switching, so portable and flexible. So Laragon can be installed in any folder or even move to another drive. So suppose you install somewhere and you move to a different drive, this also can be possible. Okay, so it is not dependent like you have like the system path, which makes it flexible and easy for. Okay, so it is very flexible and easy to manage. And building developer tool, like you'll have here the composer, git, node.js, db, everything you can have. And the best feature I see here, the lots of the developer who has started early, suppose they are new to the development and they are unknown to how to go for the virtual host. In PHP, WAMP or JAMP, there are lots of configuration. You will have to do this, then you will be able to manage the virtual host. But in this case, you just have to click one click. You just create a folder there, and the server will be restarted automatically, and you will have the URL. Okay, suppose you created a my project directory, a folder within the www, and you restart, and you will have your this virtual host. If you click, you can access that project. Similar way, this is dot test is not just hard coded. In case you need to change with a different one, you can go for changing this one. Okay, so the video at the end also have been attached with this blog, and I am also pasting here this URL for your reference. In case you need, you can go for this, you can check this one, and you can have okay. All right, so let me come to some, I see some of the message here. Okay, so it's fast, easy to version switch, portable and flexible built-in development feature. And even you will have the feature here, you can switch from HTTP to HTTPS. So when click HTTPS, it will enable it for you. Okay, so these are the benefits over the XAMPP or the WAMP once you start using this one. Got it. So this will be your screen. So once you install this this one, you will have the screen like this. Okay, so you see here the patch is there, and if you reload, it will take only 2-3 seconds and your Apache will be reload. That means the restarted. So here are the list of benefits over the XAMPP or the WAN. So we'll have here the Laragon usually start much quicker, so it is way faster than the other. So clean configuration will have here, the better project management, Laragon auto detect project and create virtual host as I discussed earlier, and easier PHP version management switching, you can go for SSL setup. Okay, so these I have also taken here the example of a simple program, and you can go through and you can try this at your end. Okay, so now I am coming to see the message. Not sure why I am not able to see the messages. Okay, so you can come across this, you can go to this my site techgyans.in, and you will have the latest post. If you come up here on the home page, and you will find this one. Okay, so the Laragon, the complete guide to the best local development environment for PHP. And you can also explore some of the other blog, like how you can use the chat GPT like AI tool, that is Olama, locally without even your network connection. You can use that one. Okay, so I will also paste here the link after the this live session. You can check that one, and how you can try. And here if you come to my site, you will be able to see this is the video I have already released, why Laragon is better than the giant one, and the latest video you will find this one itself. So you can also check this one, and you can start using this in case you need. And even if you are starting from the fresh, you are starting or learning the either the PHP or the Moodle, so this is best suited. So I have also taken care of that thing, so how from the fresh you are starting everything. Okay, so you can go through, and even in case you need any video, you can request here. I can create in the coming session, even the live or the video, I can consider your message and I can create the video around that your requirement. Okay, So you can try this, the Laragon one, and you can also share with your friends. This is good for the development, and of course you yourself you can use in any of your project. And suppose you have to migrate from your WAMP server to this Laragon, the only the database thing will have to migrate, the course and also the directory will have to move. So you can easily move that one. And I have already created a video how quickly you can import your database. I have already created a video around that, so you can check that one. Okay. Okay, so I just log into my laptop and I see the message. Okay, so lots of message I see here in the chat. So I am pasting this blog link here. You can check that one and you can try this. So even you search over the web and on the Google, you'll find this one. And the Laragon word you type, you'll be finding the same thing there. So the link I just pasted here, you can try this, and this is the complete blog and the step-by-step guide how you can go. And even you have a good internet connection, you can try the video I have given here at the end of the blog. You'll find, and also the video, if you check the latest release, you'll find on the top the Laragon one. So thank you again for joining my live session. Well, so this was all. So you can also try here the other thing. So currently I am researching around the Olama. So then in the next coming video I will also try including this one, because the AI is on the high demand, and how you can leverage these AI tools. The more and more you have exposure in the AI, it is better for you, and not even just the current, the past one also will have to take some advantage. So whatever the skills you have, the past skills you will be utilizing here over the AI. Okay, so and of course in the future it is going to help a lot, because the AI related skills will be in the high demand in the coming days. Okay, so try so learning something new around the whole any AI tool. Okay, so master in one, and you'll find almost everything will be around that. Okay, so even you are trying to start your career as a developer for the first time, and you have chosen the PHP language, so it is better to start with this particular the Laragon one. Okay, so Laragon server, you can start using this one. So in place of the WAMP or JAMP, it is well suited. You can go for this Laragon one. Okay, so you can walk you through this particular blog. I have pasted here over the chat, and even after releasing this video, I will also paste here on the comment. And if you have a good bandwidth, you can go for playing this video, and I have here demonstrated the step-by-step guide how you'll be able to manage everything here. Okay, how you can install, and this is very lightweight, and there are lots of advantage over the other server around the PC you have in the market. Got it? So in case you have any questions, please feel free to ask me here over the chat, and I will try responding. Okay, well, thank you so much. Thank you everyone for joining my live session. In case you have to learn the PHP language, any AI tool you have to learn, you can come across my YouTube channel and even on this particular blog, and you will find my content. Okay, so if you need the future video, I would suggest recommend to have, you can subscribe to my channel, that's my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining everyone. Thank you and have a great day.